Oh yeah, Minnesota here. My good buddy Oregon. It's been a while since we had a talk with you guys there. Hey Oregon, just wanted to let you know, we're getting pretty close to 500 subscribers, you know. Oh yeah, I saw that. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I think last time we talked, we only had a little over 300 subscribers there. Oh yeah. Well, when do you think we'll get 500? Oh, well, I don't know, but we got over 50 subscribers in 1 week. So easily we should get that by the end of April. But you know what we need to do? No, what? We need all of our other subscribers, our current subscribers, to share this video and tell other people to subscribe to us too. That way we can get to 500 and even up to 1,000 there. Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Hey everybody, why don't you help us? Oh yeah. Hey, Oregon, you know, you got a bird on top of you.
Michigan?
Maybe Michigan can help us get that bird off you.
Michigan, you can't drink anymore.
Oh yeah, look at there's a good buddy Michigan. Michigan, you thirsty? What do you mean? Oh yeah, remember you sit there drink all that salt water and you get sick. Oh yeah, I better stop doing that. Hey, there's a good buddy Indiana. Hey, Indiana, can you get that bird off of Michigan for us? Oh, that's a nice guy. Thank you. Hey, no problem. Hey, Indiana, I got some friends who are subscribers that are from Indiana.
April K.
Oh, yeah, I know them. April K. Oh, yeah. Hey, Oregon, you got another bird on you. I hope he doesn't poop on you. Hey, somebody help me get him off. Ah! Oh boy, here comes one on me now. I don't like it on my peninsula up there. Oh yeah, somebody, we better help him get that off of there. Hey, maybe North Carolina can help us. There you go. What about the one in Oregon? Excuse me, I had a frog in my throat. Meaty. Meaty. Oh yeah. Hey, look at this. There's a good buddy Iowa. How you doing, Iowa? Yeah, pretty good. How are you guys? Oh yeah, we're doing really good too there. Hey, Michigan. Oh, hey. Hey, how come all the birds want to land on me? I don't know there, Irma. Maybe because you're a nice guy. Oh, there he goes. He's leaving now. He's maybe going over to Michigan. Hey, hey. Uh-oh. Hey. Oh yeah, he's up by War Road, Minnesota there. Way up there by the lick in the woods there. Somebody want to help me with this guy? Hey, Massachusetts, get this guy off me. Yo, no problem. He's gone. He's not going to park there no more. Hey, I got two. Now I got one bird. Help me. Hey, here's my neighbor up there.
Up there by Iowa.
Up there by Iowa. How you doing there, Washington? Washington!
I'm helping Iowa from getting away from the birds.
I'm making sure that Iowa doesn't get birds like you, Oregon. You got two again. Yeah, I know. I don't like it. All right. Hey, Boston or Massachusetts. Maybe you can help them. I'm parked right here. Let's see if Texas can help. Hey, Texas, be careful because these things like to come through your face there. Yahoo! What are you talking about? I'm just sitting here all by myself. I don't know what you're talking about. Whoa! Massachusetts, you've got your eyeballs over there on my back. See? Everything's just fine. Ah! Whoa! What in the world just happened? I just had a bird come out of my mouth. Oh yeah, that happens a lot around here. Ow! Oh!
He came back.
He came back. Now he's sitting on my cheek. I don't like this at all. Hey. Go away. Oh! Oh my. Yow! Yippee yahoo! Somebody help me. I gotta shoot him away myself. There goes one. I'm gonna shoot the other one away. Oh yeah. Well, on that note, we're gonna wrap it up and say thank you, everybody, and please help us get to 500. And if you have any suggestions for other videos you want us to do, just let us know by commenting on any of our videos, and we'll make sure to try and help you out. Thank you.